Hello and welcome to a fresh video in Outlook Tips. In this video, we are going to learn about how to recover a deleted item from our inbox or outbox. So let's see how can we do that. Many of the times it happens with me specifically when I accidentally delete an item in my inbox or outbox, and later I realize that I need that email again. Outlook for Office 365 provide this feature where you can recover that item from your deleted items. Under the inbox button, you will get a deleted items button as well. When you click on deleted items button, you will see all those items which is not permanently deleted will appear here. Currently I don't have any item to show, but if you go to your deleted item box, then you will get multiple emails which will be populated here. If the email is not permanently deleted, you can directly recover that email from deleted item itself. But let's go to one step ahead where the item was deleted permanently. That means when deleting the email, I applied Shift Delete button and that is completely deleted from my Outlook. Let's see how to recover. Under this tab itself, deleted item tab itself, you will get recover items recently removed from this folder. When you click on this button, another pop-up will come, and in this dialog box you can see all those email which is deleted in last 30 days from your outbox or inbox. You can click any of the email which you want to recover, and when you want to recover you can just simply click OK. And that email will be recovered from your permanently deleted items to your deleted items. Now from here you can move this to inbox or outbox wherever you want. I hope you will find this video useful. Hit like, write in comment section which other videos you want to cover in Outlook Tips week. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.